Number 1. Did you know over 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun? The Sun is huge. About 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. That's because the Sun makes up about 99.8% of all the mass in our solar system. And it's not just big, it's insanely hot. The surface is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, while the core is even hotter. The Sun's gravity is so strong, it keeps all the planets, including Earth, orbiting around it. So next time you look up at the sky, that bright ball of light is actually a giant star powering our entire solar system. Number 2. Did you know your stomach rebuilds itself every few days? Your stomach is super powerful. It uses strong acids to break down food. In fact, that acid is strong enough to damage your own body. So how do you survive? Your stomach has a special protective lining made of mucus that shields it from the acid. But here's the amazing part. That lining gets worn down quickly, so your body replaces it every 3 to 5 days. It's like your stomach is constantly healing and renewing itself to stay safe. So every time you eat, your body is working hard behind the scenes to protect you. Number 3. Did you know you're taller in morning? When you wake up, you're actually about 1 to 2 centimeters taller than at night. But why does that happen? During the day, gravity compresses your spine as you stand, walk, and sit. Your spine is made of soft discs between the bones, and those discs get slightly squished throughout the day. But when you lie down and sleep, the pressure is gone and your spine stretches back out. So every morning you get a tiny height boost, until gravity slowly squishes you again. Number 4. Did you know sound travels faster in water than in air? Sound moves about 4 times faster in water than it does in air. In air, sound travels around 343 meters per second, but in water, it zooms at about 1,500 meters per second. But why is that? Water molecules are closer together than in air, so sound vibrations pass between them much faster. That's why whales can talk to each other across huge distances in the ocean. And here's something cool. If you're underwater, sounds can feel louder and closer than they really are. So the ocean isn't just deep and mysterious. It's also a super fast highway for sound. Number 5. Did you know there might be more trees on Earth than stars in our galaxy? Scientists estimate there are about 3 trillion trees on Earth. That's a lot of trees. Now here's the mind-blowing part. The Milky Way galaxy is thought to have around 100 to 400 billion stars. That means Earth could have way more trees than stars in our entire galaxy. But don't worry, space is still huge. There are billions of galaxies out there, each with billions of stars. So next time you see a forest, you might be looking at something more numerous than the stars above you. Number 6. Did you know the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth? Every year, the moon moves about 3.8 centimeters farther away. That's as fast as your fingernails grow. But don't worry, it's super slow. You won't notice it in your lifetime. This happens because of the gravitational pull between the Earth and the moon, which creates ocean tides. Over millions of years, this tiny movement adds up, meaning the moon used to be much closer to Earth a long time ago. And in the far future, days on Earth could actually get longer because of this. So while you're watching the moon at night, it's quietly drifting away, little by little. Number 7. Did you know butterflies taste with their feet? That's right. When a butterfly lands on a plant, it's actually tasting it using sensors on its feet. But why do they do that? Butterflies need to find the perfect plant to lay their eggs. Because when the eggs hatch, the baby caterpillars will eat that plant right away. So if the plant doesn't taste right, the butterfly will fly away and look for a better one. It's like having taste buds in your shoes. For more videos like this, please follow, share, and leave a comment.